Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today in this quick video I'm going to provide you with some feedback after testing these custom prescription lens inserts by VR Lens Lab. VR Lens Lab manufactures different prescription lens inserts for VR goggles and FPV goggles, including the DJI goggles 2 and the new HD0 goggles. When purchasing the inserts from VR Lens Lab, just like any other service that provides custom inserts, you will need to provide them with your eyeglasses prescription, so make sure that it is up to date. Manufacturing time takes up to 2 weeks and shipping time depends on your geographic location. Now, as you may already know, unlike the DJI goggles V1/V2, on the DJI goggles 2 you'll be able to adjust the diopters, and I could actually get a pretty good image when using the built-in diopter adjustment feature. The reason that I actually decided to try out these custom lens inserts is that I could not see the entire screen, so I thought maybe it's going to change a bit the field of view, because the field of view on the DJI goggles V1/V2 in my opinion is better, as I'm able to see the entire screen. Unfortunately, I can tell you that after using these custom inserts for about 2 months, they did not solve the field of view problem. The quality of the custom inserts is great, but still this is something that you need to keep in mind. So in case you're able to get a clear image using the custom diopter feature of the goggles 2, you should not get this type of custom inserts. But in case you have a special prescription or you're just not able to get a clear view using the built-in diopter adjustment feature, this is definitely going to be a good solution. In addition, DJI recently released the Integra goggles that do allow you to adjust the IPD but not the diopters. They come with different lenses from 2 to -8, but they won't allow you to do some fine tuning for adjusting the diopters. So I think that this type of inserts is going to be a better solution probably for the Integra goggles. You should also note that when using this type of custom prescription inserts, the lens protector which comes with the DJI goggles 2 is not going to fit. Regardless, I recommend to change the foam to this one, which also comes with this lens protector, which, as you can see, works quite well. And in my experience, this type of foam is more comfortable than the one that comes with the goggles. Anyway, that's going to be it for this very quick video about the VR Lens Lab custom inserts for the DJI goggles 2. If I'll have any more feedback, I will add it in the comment section down below as a pinned comment. And in case you have any questions, feel free to let me know and I'll do my best to help you out. I wish you all happy flying and I'll see you soon on my next videos. Goodbye.